Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image into a shape in Google Slides, otherwise known as masking. Masking is basically turning a regular image that usually has the shape of square or rectangular, and then you want to turn it into a unique or more interesting shape like circle, or you want to also turn it into this heart shape, which I think looks attractive. And definitely it's going to improve the look of your presentation. Now, to turn this image into this image, here's how you can do it. First, of course, you have to upload image. You can upload any image and you have to click on it to basically select the image, and then you will see there will be a new row of menu that you can access. Now we want to click the menu that is next to the crop image, not crop image, but next to it. There is another menu called mask image. You want to click on that, and then here you can select any shape or arrows, equation, or callouts that you want to set for this image. So in this example, I'm going to turn it into a shape of heart, and there you go. You can also just go back to this setting and then turn it to something else, like maybe circle. So yeah, that's basically how you can turn a regular image into a specific shape in Google Slides.